Ms. Iti Rawat, founder, Women Entrepreneurs for Transformation, WEFT, formerly with Nike and Apple, a speaker and an activist who has challenged stereotypes and have worked on the ground with domestic violence survivors, a retail experience enhancer by profession who is running EdTech platform with a zeal to develop industry-relevant skills and provide jobs to the adult youth in India. She is the founder and director at Think Hall Training and Consultancy. An award-winning startup declared top 5 and top 20 for diversity in 2019 to 2024, all 6 years in a row, and the company in focus 2021 by Business Connect. She has been awarded as Social Leader of the Year for WEFT in 2019 by Indian Business Women Awards and Conference Body. She has also been awarded 40 under 40 by Economic Times HR Emerging Leaders League. It's truly amazing to have you among us. I request you to share a little of that zeal and drive that you hold.
And I'm really honored to be part of this amazing gathering and such stalwarts sitting next to me. I know that today is a day of achievements and many of you here, students, are sitting here and achieving something or the other. But I wanted to say a lot of things, but today I thought let's talk about successes and let's talk about failures. Because when I was sitting there in your place and I was thinking about it, by the way, I was also one of the merit students and I was very honored to get a gold medal from then President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. But thank you for that. But like you did celebrate your success, I did not. At that point of time, I was thinking about how do I get the job? How do I get my placements? What do I do next? Is this the success? Is this the achievement that I'm actually thinking and counting on? And where I missed out was in my life that these small little successes and achievements that I did all my life, I never celebrated them. I always tried to look upon the next story, what is more in me, what is next that I can achieve. And that's how things started building up. The other story that I want to also talk about is where I became absolutely complacent. That was when I started my company. After doing 10 years of rigorous corporate job, 9 to 5, going out again and again, sitting down in front of the computer, suddenly you realize, oh my God, you are the boss on your own. And there is a team now working and reporting under you. And I started believing in it. Now luck is going to favor me because this is my start and this is how I will live my life. But luck was always not to favor you, right? And somewhere it did tank down. My entrepreneurial journey started well, but somewhere I started seeing the falls happening. The team that I delegated a lot of tasks to and thought that they are the ones who will run my company, those were the guys who left my company looking for better opportunities. And I kept thinking, why this better opportunity I could not give them in my own company? What are they leaving for? And from there onwards was my learning. All the mistakes that I made in my life became my learning steps. And I moved forward, and I don't have to repeat it. You've already heard ma'am say that what exactly were the successes that followed. Thankfully, now the company is doing pretty well for myself. We are also able to help not just many students get placed, skilled, and get good jobs. There are a lot of women that we are currently supporting, people from underprivileged background that we are currently supporting, and have now got their place in the society as well. We can very proudly say that we are making people financially independent. So one thing that I want all of you as students to take from here is, first, please don't forget to celebrate your successes. Any person who's coming up and walking here, clap loudly, shout loudly. This is the way you have to celebrate your success and your achievements, right? This is the moment for you. So don't miss out today. Do not miss out this present and this moment of success that you are getting today. Another thing that I want you to take back is please do not rely on luck, because luck is not going to favor you. Luck will only bow down to your hard work and your perseverance and your grit. So if you haven't put in your enough effort in the things that you are doing, you will not be able to achieve success for sure. So in case if you are looking forward for the next step of your life and you are thinking that this is what I have to do, remember these two things is what I can actually at this point of time give you guys. Thank you so much. It is lovely being here, and I'm really, truly honored to be part of this. Thank you.